Tutorial on how to use a vacuum cleaner. First, it's already plugged in, and then we turn it on to clean this floor the proper way. Straight lines. Alright, once we're done with this vacuum cleaner, we put it away, and I'll show you. You first take out the plug of the outlet. Oh, come on. And you start wrapping around these, what are they called? A figure eight. Don't do it too tight or you end up stripping the coating on the wire. And we don't want exposed wire. That would be bad. We would get shocked and probably die. Okay. Whoops. Uh-oh. And once we're done, put it in neutral so you can move it easier. Then we put it away where its origin was. In the junk room with the other junk. Whoops. Okay, stay. Alright. That's it for the tutorial vacuum tutorial 101.